Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the laser rangefinder by the company ACPOTEL, A-C-P-O-T-E-L. The seller for this was actually a seller by the name of Hectory, H-E-C-T-O-R-Y. As with all my purchases, I like just doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So I'm not real sure you're going to be able to read this. Hopefully you will. Try and go through some of the features, at least show you what you get, what the quality's like. So the only negative I found when I purchased this thing was it's not rechargeable. It takes a CR2 lithium battery. The only thing good with that is this is a pretty standard battery. You can find it at most of your grocery stores, stuff like that, and they do give you a battery to start with. My preference would be rechargeable, but this one's not rechargeable. Get a little instruction manual in here. A lens cloth, polishing cloth. Looks like an inspection sticker, just showing that somebody inspected it. And then let's take a look at the rangefinder itself. Nice hard shell case, zipper case. Zipper is nice and tight, feels like good quality. And then you've also got this latch here. So if you don't want to keep zipping and unzipping it when you're out there playing, all you have to do is open it, close it. When you're done for the day, then that's when you'd want to zip it up. But the case is nice. You've got a belt loop on the back if you wanted to run it through a belt. They give you a little carabiner as well. So look at the inside of the case. So this rangefinder has 7 different modes on it. Nice thing about it, it's got these nice ergonomic grips. Feels good in the hand. The reason I went with this one over some of the other models is because you've got a display over here on the side versus just having your display in the actual rangefinder. And I've never had a model that had anything like that. I've got poor vision, so for me, it's a little bit better to be able to see the larger letters on the side here. You do have a 1/4 inch thread, pretty standard with most cameras and stuff like that if you did want to put it on a tripod for any reason. This is going to be where your battery goes in. Simply unscrew that, put your battery in. Screw it back on and then lock it in place. The model of this is PF260. I mentioned 7 different modes. I don't know if I can remember them all. I know there was a speed mode, distance mode, slope mode, point-to-point, flag lock, vertical height. And that was it. A couple different buttons on here. You've got a power button on the top. At least I think that's what that is, power button. Then you've got a mode button. On the side here, you've got your screen. You can turn on or off. So if you don't want to use this side screen, you have the option to turn it on or off. And then you've got the slope, looks like slope edition. So if you want to turn the slope feature on or off, you would just use that sliding feature. Pretty cool. I can't wait to get on the golf course. I'm a hunter and a golfer, so I think this is going to be perfect for me. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.